Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Alpella. Wherever you're watching from, I want to say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're seeing this video. Today I'll be showing us a new platform that I discovered that you can get money from. It's a money for here, there, and everywhere. And it uses 175 countries with 50 currencies. Wow. Get the account built to save you money around the world. Now, we're going to start with open an account. But before we do this, I normally use one other one called Pioneer, but I noticed a lot of let's say few hitches about Pioneer. I noticed that the American account I created, I'm not able to use it anywhere. Anywhere I put it, they will tell me it's not working, it's not working, it's not working. So I started feeling like I needed an account that could work. And during my search, I bumped into this one. That's why I want to teach us. I want us to please learn. And if this one is better, I think this is my new account I'll be using for everything online. Okay, so let's just scroll around. Let us see what it is before we start. Now it says use money, save money, get wise. All right. The next one says save up to 9 times when you send currency. Okay. So you can also see, like I can see in my currency here, Nigerian currency. Okay, so let's see popular currencies. We have Euro, we have the Indian, we have the USA, we have the Arab. Wow, so much, so much. We also have my country, Nigeria. So you can scroll through and see your country. So this is it. It's a low cost transfer fee, exchange rate, not now it depends on what it is. But with this, I think I like what I see. And I think I would, it's a trusted by business, small and large. I think I would like to try them. Go global with international business account, pay employees, get paid, manage your cash flow in multiple currencies, join over 300,000 businesses striving with Wise. They have their own card as well. And for people going places, meet money without borders, um, disappoint thieves. All right, so it has a dedicated fraud security team, that work to keep your money safe. We have two-factor, and this is very nice, authentication to protect your account. I love this so much. I always use it. Then we hold your money with established financial institutions. So Wise works nearly everywhere. Wow, I'm really loving what I'm seeing, and I think I would love to try them. Okay, so account details, they have in the UK, they have euro, they have British pound, they have Australian dollar, they have New Zealand dollar, they have Singapore dollar, they have Canadian dollar. Wow, this is huge. I'm so loving what I'm seeing, and I think I would love to use it. So let's go, people. Let's go. So they have opened an account. Now I see they showed also they say trusted for small and large businesses. Now this is open a business account. All right, so let's go to where I saw open an account and let's see how it works. They have personal. So let's click on personal and see what it means. Okay, nothing. All right, so features, multi-currency account, money transfer, large amount transfers. So this is pricing. Pricing, I think, is when send money, use okay, receive and add money. Okay. All right, so let's go. You have um um English. They you can see it's even showing me that it's Nigeria. That means my IP is already showing them the country I'm in. That's why they could give me this Nigerian flag that I'm seeing. So register. I think I'm going to click on register. Let's first register before we start anything. So create your Wise account. All right, so the first name, enter your email address. So I'm going to enter my email address. So the moment I entered my email address, I now clicked on next. So what kind of account would you like to open today? All right, you can add another account later on. Now they have the personal account and they have the business account. Now the personal account says send, spend and receive around the world for less. Then the business one, it say do business or freelancer job or work immediately. All right, I think I would want to click on do business. Let me click on this because a lot of us online are business people. That is what we do here. So I'm going to click on the business account and they say your country of registration. I'm going to be truthful. So please be truthful when you do things online. It will go a long way. It's better they tell you they don't accept your country than the one you go and lie and then they can't um, allow you. So it's better you're truthful and you tell them and you see that they don't have your country. It's better they don't have your country. You quietly leave than the one you're going to lie and they can't let you in. So I can see that my country is not here. Nigeria is not here. So let me see your country of registration. Um, I can see that my country is not here, but they have Niger. So I don't know. Maybe I should click on Niger because Niger also is like a Nigeria, the short form of Nigeria, but I don't know why it's written Niger. Let me click on Niger. Let's see what will happen. And I hope it will not be something that will have problems later on. Okay, so it's showing me a code of another country, so it is not for me. um I think my country is not here, so this is where I have a little issue. Okay. Okay, so when I clicked on business account, I saw that my country was in there, Nigeria. So I now decided to check the personal account. So when I clicked on personal, so let's click on personal and see how personal works. So when I click on personal and I said Nigeria, I saw that my country was here. So that means I'm going to be choosing personal account. All right, so this is beautiful. All right. So I'm going to put in my phone number and then we continue. Okay, so when I put in my phone number, I clicked continue. It now sent me a code. So I imputed the code and I said continue and they told me to create a password. So they said you should put letter and number and it should be minimum of 9 characters. So you're going to create letter and number and then let it be minimum of 9 character. So let's continue. So after putting the phone number, after putting your password, after creating this, the next thing you have to do is to click on continue. But make sure you check the password very well and then you click on continue. Okay? So it says something went wrong. All right, let me find out what happened. Okay, so I have created the password and it opened up for me. Okay, so when it opened up for me, it showed me that I have created the account. Now it said, what would you like to do now? Don't worry, you can come back to the other options later. So we have send money abroad, make faster, cheaper and money transfer, open an account in a new currency, manage and receive money in multiple currencies. I think it's open an account we're going for. Okay, so that's what we're going to click. All right, so get started with balances. So let's go, people. So it said, tell us about yourself. So I'm going to fill all this and then we'll continue. Okay. So after I filled everything and I clicked continue, it opened this. So it said open a balance. So choose currency. You can open balances in 40 currencies. So I'm going to just click on I would like to have euro. I'll confirm. So after you finish everything, registration and your account has been opened, now let us start and see how we can get our card or how people can pay us or how we can receive money. Okay, so if you click on home, this is home, and in your home you can see this is what you have. And I want to receive money locally, and I want to use a US dollar account. So if I click on this, it opens and it tells me complete these steps to get your account details. Okay, so it said deposit 10,000 naira, which is to verify your identity. So get account details. So after you're finished creating your account by registry, the moment you finish your register and you're done with everything. So the next step now, this is our account. We have opened it and we have received locally. We have the euro, we have the US dollar. Now, I will click on US dollar to see the next step. Now, I say complete these steps to get your account details. I'm asked to deposit 10,000 naira. But we know that Nigerian cards don't work on a lot of platforms anymore. So we are asked to deposit 10,000 naira. Now, I noticed that Nigerian cards and Nigerian a lot of Nigerian banks are no more accepting us getting money from abroad. I don't know why, but that is what I noticed. Even my personal bank is the same thing. So that is what made me I started looking for a solution. And yeah, so let's go ahead. I'm gonna click on get account details. Now we're gonna change this to dollar because we can't use Naira. So we're gonna change it to dollar. So after we choose dollar, this is the dollar, and what we need to add up here is 20, let's just say about $23.52. That's what we need to add. So what they have said here is we need some more information before we can complete this. We need to verify few things. So yours is to click the fix transfer and then we'll continue. So when I clicked fix transfer, it opened here. So we'll fill up this and we continue our class. Source of income. Now they have salary, investment, pension, inheritance, loan, and something else. For me, I think we should just put salary. Then annual income. We can put about, let's just say about, let's put this one. My fear with this salary is so that they don't start. Maybe we should just put something else. Then we explain what. Type your source of income. Let's just put a digital and affiliate with email, e-commerce income. Yeah, so 1,950,000, like that, which is visible. We pray to even make this and more. Okay, let's continue. You want to click on continue. All right, so it says choose a document to upload. I'm going to choose the gift letter, scholarship, please, 3 months bank statement. Let's click on something else. Let's see if they have another thing. Okay, your full name, amount you received, name of the person or company who paid you, date. Okay, I'm going to be submitting a document here. So let me submit. I will tell you the document I submitted and we continue. Okay, so the document I put was my StarClick. My StarClick is a place where I do jobs online and I've been getting paid through PayPal. So that was what I just put here. It has my full name. It has the amount I've been receiving in dollars. It has my personal name as well and who paid me and date it was paid and issued. So all those documents are there. So if you have an online platform where you work and they have been paying you and you have that evidence, you can use that. Or you can also use your bank statement, but that has your name and your address. You can go to your bank and get it, okay? All right, let's continue. So I'll click on submit. All right, so when I clicked on submit, it said, we are checking your documents. All right, so we're going to click. Once we have verified your info, the money will be in your account. It may take up to 3 hours. We will let you know via email. So go to your account. All right, so we're going to click on go to your account. So when I clicked on go to our account, it opened here for us. So we're going to wait and see the next, okay? And then we continue. So it says choose how to pay. Then when you finish, you now put I have paid. Now remember, we want to pay this money in dollars. And as I told you guys, you can either tell someone to pay, you will give the person your login details of your Wise. I'm talking about somebody you trust. The person can go to your Wise and pay in that dollars for you. Maybe the person will send money into these dollars for you through money transfer, okay? Or if you have a credit card or a debit card, there are cards that work on this platform. You can also use it to pay this money, send money to this account. All right. Or remember, you can't use Nigerian cards. If you're in Nigeria, you can't use Nigerian cards. They are no more working online. You can try it. If it works, it's your luck, but they are no more working online. That's what I noticed. That's how the hunger came for me to find a solution for myself. And I said, okay, since I'm finding a solution for myself, let me also bring it to my people, to the community, my friends, my lovely people, so we can all learn together and really be free from this evil that they are trying to do to us and stopping us from making money online. All right, so now we're going to choose how we want to pay. So let's click on choose how we want to pay. And remember, I showed you the different ways you can pay. I showed you connecting a US bank, you doing a wire transfer, you using debit card, credit card, international wire. As I said, if you have a debit card or a credit card that works, amazing. If you have other cards from other platforms that works online, amazing. But if you want to try Nigerian dollar card, you can also try if it will work, but I doubt. That's why we're finding this solution. You can also wire it manually. So I think I'm going to use wire transfer manually. Let me see if it will work, okay? And you can also send someone to wire this money for you from abroad or from anywhere that they can do it. Or if somebody has this Wise, like now as we're creating this, we can also begin to help each other. If you're creating it and you need help, I can also help you send money into that your account for you if I have Wise. So if you know anybody that has this Wise bank account, the person also can help you send money. So let's click on wire transfer. So we have international wire, send USD from your bank account outside US. Your bank will charge. Okay. Then he said the wire, manually transfer the money to Wise using your bank. Should arrive in 6 hours. Okay, we're going to try wire transfer and international wire. So let's see. So connected US bank account, pay with, okay, so let's see this wire. Let's see if this one will work for us. All right. So if I'm using this one, I'm going to be paying 23.52. That's what I'm bringing in. All right. So let's continue to payments. Let me see. Wise won't take money from your bank automatically. You will need to do this bit yourself to pay by bank transfer. Okay. So we will give you our bank details. You will need to use your bank to transfer the money to Wise. Once we receive the money, we will start the transfer. All right. This is this one. Then let's check this other one, international wire. Let's see what it says. So let's click on continue also. So it says the same thing. All right. So it's still the same thing. Okay. So let's use if we use. Okay, just hold on. Let me just check which of them I would like to use. Okay, so if you're using wire transfer, this one you have to go to your bank to do this one. And I don't think this is what we want because you remember they are not allowing us. Then if we use debit card, if you click on continue, you're going to see that it's telling you to pay with your card. So I am preparing something for us. I hope they answer me because I've already created a debit card course. I'm going to be creating it and adding it up to this. So that will be the part 2. So I'm waiting for my credit card to be done. It's a foreign credit card with a foreign bank or company or whatever as well known around the world. I discovered that when I was trying to find out how much I could change money online. That was how I discovered this company or this bank or this money establishment. And I have come to know that it's even one of the best. I didn't even know I had it. I had it, I did it since 2021. And I just dumped it. So when this thing came up, I went to check it. I was shocked. They have approved a lot of things. I was like, wow. So I've requested for my virtual card and I'm waiting for them to respond. So the moment they respond, I'm going to show you guys that one and how to sign up and everything. And then we're going to use that card to pay this money. Because if you can see, with this one, you're paying just 20.27, which is very beautiful. And I think this is what we're going to use. Okay. So I'll be ending the class here today. And I'm going to bring part 2 of this class where I'm going to show you guys the debit card. You won't even believe. I saw someone on YouTube. I clicked on the person's link and I followed it. The person said if you want a virtual card or a card, by the time I clicked, I went there. You won't believe the guy was telling me I should pay 10,000 naira for him to show me the card. And I clicked out. I said, but this is not okay. Fine, I know he wants to use, but for me, I think it was too expensive. So guys, be patient with me. I pray from today to maybe like 2-3 days they will answer me so that card will be ready. I'm going to be bringing part 2. So don't go and find anybody and pay anybody money. Just hold on. I'm going to show you guys the card I used and how to register everything. You just to use my link. That's all you're going to do. You're not paying me any money. And then we're going to activate our Wise Bank account, okay? And then we'll start making money and getting paid without anybody stopping us again online. So God bless you all. So if you have not yet subscribed, please kindly subscribe. Click on the subscribe. Click the bell so that you can get a notification whenever I am live or I post new videos. Okay? So I love you all. Thank you so much. And please share. All right? And please, guys, always make sure you watch all the videos. Give me beautiful comments. Give me beautiful likes. And if you know I'm doing something that you think is worth giving me a shout out, please give me a shout out. All right? God bless you all. Wait for my part 2. Watch out for the part 2. God bless you guys. I love you. Bye-bye.